Hello children, welcome to your GK class. The name of this topic is Flower World. Children, when we go to a park or a garden, we love the scene or scenery of that place, and the beauty is because of the colorful flowers. Yes, they are arranged very beautifully by the gardeners, but the main beauty of that place is the flower, the arrangement, the color. So, let us see some common flowers that are present in the garden. Let us begin. Lotus. Lotus is the national flower of India. This beautiful flower grows in freshwater lakes and shallow ponds. It symbolizes beauty, purity, and knowledge. This is the national flower of India. It's lotus. Sunflower. It is the national flower of Ukraine in Eastern Europe. Sunflowers are the symbol of faith, loyalty, optimism, happiness, long life, and also good luck. This flower looks like the sun, and so is its name, sunflower. Let's see the next flower, that is lily. Lily is the national flower of Italy. Normally, it blooms in the summer season only. Its fragrance is beautiful. There are several types of lilies like trumpet lilies and tiger lilies. Lilies are found in different types. Hibiscus. Hibiscus is a very beautiful flower and comes in many colors. Hibiscus is also known as China rose. Red hibiscus helps in many medical purposes and also helps us to get relief from upset stomach, high BP, extra weight, etc. Dahlia. Dahlia is the national flower of Mexico. There are 42 species of dahlia, commonly grown as a garden plant. Dahlia flowers are mostly scentless. These are the big size flowers in our garden and they are in many colors. Let's see the next flower. It's daisy. The plant has leafless flower stalks and hairy leaf-like structures below the flower heads. That means this portion you can see there are no leaves, but here it's a hairy leaf-like structure just below the flower. It is a common wild plant of North America. It's a very beautiful flower. Iris. Iris is the national flower of France. They attract butterflies and hummingbirds. Iris takes its name from a Greek word for rainbow. Children, you are very familiar with this flower, but maybe you didn't know the name. This is a flower that is almost favorite of every person. Rose. Tudor rose is the national flower of England. There are over 100 species of rose. It is widely recognized as a symbol of love, sympathy, or sorrow. Rose is a flower for every occasion. Next is marigold. Marigold are of different types. It can be yellow, orange, or golden in color. These flowers are used for making garland, for puja, decoration, jewelry, and also for medicinal purposes. Yes, there are many medicines in which this flower gives a big contribution. Next is jasmine. Jasmine is the national flower of Pakistan and Syria. It is well known for its lovely fragrance and is mainly used for making perfumes, oils, and soaps. This flower is even used for medicinal purposes. Very beautiful fragrance. Tulip. Tulip is the national flower of Turkey and Afghanistan. This cup-shaped flower has 3 petals and 3 sepals. These flowers have 3 petals outside cover and 3 inside. 3 sepals also. Next is thank you. This is a bunny with a bunch of flowers. Children, thank you for watching this video. I hope you will like it.